Gauss Seidel Method. In this method, we are going to solve following linear equation. हम ये 3 linear equations हैं हमारे पास, इनको solve करेंगे using Gauss Seidel method. So first of all, in this method we check whether the given equation converge or not. हमने ये चेक करना है कि ये इक्वेशन हमारे सॉल्यूशन पे हमें लेके जाएंगी या नहीं. तो इसके लिए क्या होता है कि इसके जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स हैं, ये जो डायगोनल x का कोफिशिएंट है, y का कोफिशिएंट है और z का कोफिशिएंट है, ये हमारे डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स को हमने चेक करना है कि वो इसका x का कोफिशिएंट इन दोनों के कोफिशिएंट के प्लस से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. मींस 45 द मोड शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 2 द मोड प्लस 2 द मोड. That is 45 is greater than 4, so it's true. So first is हमें मिल गया कि ये true है. सेकेंड हम चेक करेंगे कि ये कोफिशिएंट 22 का मोड शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू भी हो सकता है, ग्रेटर देन भी हो सकता है. इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू -3 द मोड प्लस 2 द मोड. दैट इज 22 is greater than 5, so it's also true. So थर्ड हम चेक करेंगे, ये थर्ड कोफिशिएंट सिर्फ डायगोनल एलिमेंट को चेक करना है. सो 20 मोड शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 1 द मोड. दैट इज 20 is greater than 6. That is also true. So it means the convergence conditions are met, so these equations will converge at some answer. So we can move forward. So now next step is to find the value of x from first equation. So take these two elements on the other side, which will become 58 minus 2y minus 2z, and we will divide it by 45, so over 45. So this is the value of x. From this equation find the value of y, which will be 47 plus 3x minus 2z over 22. And third one is find the value of z from this equation. So z equation, it will be 67 minus 5x minus y divided by 20. So these three values x, y and z, in terms of x, y, z, we will calculate different values of these x, y, z in each iteration until we get our answer. So move next to first iteration. So in first iteration we take all the values for calculation. We take x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0, and x, y, z equations are written here, how to calculate the value of x, y and z. So in iteration 1 we will substitute value of x, y and z is equal to 0. So we will get 58 minus 0 over 45. So which will be equal to 58 over 45, which will be equal to 1.28. So this will be the value of x. Now x, we have x is equal to 1.2889, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So now we will find the value of y by using this equation, that is y is equal to 47 plus 3 into x. X की value है 1.2889 minus 2z, z is 0, so this will be 0 over 22. So अगर इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम तो हमारे पास आएगा 2.3121. So now हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ गई और y की आ गई. x is 1.2889, y is equal to 2.3121 comma z is equal to 0. So by using these values we can calculate the value of z by using this equation, that is equal to 67 minus 5 into x, 1.2889 minus y, 2.3121 divided by 20, and if we calculate this you will get 2.9122. So now we have all the values of x, y and z. So in next iteration we will use these values. So iteration 2, take x is equal to 1.2889, y is equal to 2.3121 and z is equal to 2.9122. So these three values will be used to calculate the value of x, y and z. So x is equal to 58 minus 2 into y value is 2.3121 minus 2 into z value is 2.9122. so this will be divided by 45, and if you calculate it you will get the answer as 0.9919. So this will be the value of x. So now हमारी वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएंगी. x is 0.9919, y is equal to 2.3121 was same previous वाली, and z is equal to 2.9122. So now we will calculate the value of y, that is y is equal to 47 plus 3x, 3 into x, 0.9919 minus 2 into z is 2.9122. So this will be divided by 22, and if you solve it you will get value of y as 2.0069. So now again हमारी वैल्यूज़ क्या बनेगी. x is 0.9919, y की वैल्यू चेंज होगी 2.0069 and z is equal to 2.9122. So by using these values we will calculate the value of z. So z is equal to 67 minus 5 into x is 0.9919 minus y 2.0069 over is 20, and you will get value 3.0016. So we got new values of x, y and z which will be used for the next iteration. So move to next iteration. Now take x is equal to 0.9919, y is equal to 2.0069, z is equal to 3.0016. So these are the values of x, y and z. So we will calculate the value of x. So x is equal to 58 minus 2 into y is 2.0069 minus 2 into z 3.0016, and it will be divided by 45. If you calculate, you will get the answer as 0.99958. So now हमारी वैल्यूज होंगी x is equal to 0.99958 and y is same 2.0069, z is same 3.0016. So these are the values. Now based on these values we calculate the value of y. Y is equal to 47 plus 3 into x 99958 minus 2 into z 3.0016 divided by 22, and it will be equal to 1.99979. So this will be value of y. Now we have x is equal to 0.99958 comma y is equal to new value, this is 1.99979, and z is equal to 3.0016. So z is equal to, based on this equation, 67 minus 5 into x, value of x 0.99958 minus y 1.99979 and divided by 20, and its value will be 3.0012. So we have got the new value of x, y and z, and these values will be used in the next iteration. So iteration 4, take x is equal to 0.999958, y is equal to 1.99979, and z is equal to 3.0012. So by using these values we will calculate value of x. So if we put these values in this, you will get value of x as 1.000, and now we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1.99979, and z is equal to 3.0012. And by using this equation we will calculate the value of y, and if you put these values you will get y is equal to 1.99999, which is approximately equal to 2. Now x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3.0012. By using these values we will calculate value of z. If you put these values you will get z is equal to 3.0000. So we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, comma z is equal to 3 as solution.